Mechanical pencils are one of the most important tools used by architects and designers. I'm sure you already tested and tried so many brands and types, but in this video we'll take a look at my favorite, the Kuru Toga from Uni. First thing you're gonna notice is the body, which comes in two finishes, black and silver, and both of them have a metal barrel which feels nice in the hand and gives it a more premium feeling. It has the right weight to it, which makes it a very well balanced pencil. Overall, the build quality is great for the price and it's very well put together. Also, there is a finer link for extra grip and there is a rubber ring to prevent your fingers from sliding, and it's quite handy. One of the main features of the Kuru Toga, which makes it stand out from other brands, is the sophisticated auto-sharpening rotating mechanism for the head, which rotates the lead tip by a precise amount every time the lead is pressed down, which guarantee a uniformly sharp lead always. Also, it prevents the lead from breaking due to over sharpening. And there's a little circle window on the grip shows the rotating mechanism. To demonstrate what that means, I'll stick a piece of paper to the lead and press it down to the notebook. But for the mechanism to work properly, it requires you to constantly lift the lead tip and press it down. The tip pipe does not retract on this model, which makes it not pocket safe, but that's acceptable considering the price. It comes with a small black eraser. It's not the best. I suggest to use a separate eraser, but it's there if you need it. For the lead, you can use any kind with the same size, but Uni makes their own special type of lead with softer outer layer and harder core inside to help the mechanism to keep uniformly sharp lead. The price is around $10 US, so it's relatively inexpensive and it's not gonna break the bank, which allows you to buy multiple ones to use them with different line weights, which is much more convenient. So after all, you can say it's just a technical pencil, but like many other tools that makes an influence on the user, like a specific camera model or a sketchbook, this pencil does. So when the ergonomics are right and you're comfortable using a tool, it inspires you to work. The thinking, the ideas tends to flow more smoothly. At least, this is what I believe. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.